Are you a technology education, teacher, or just a parent spending quality time with your kids? Do you use robot kits and constantly misplace parts that are difficult to replace? Well, your problems are over. Innovative Systems Limited has the solution with Innospace. 3D print your parts. You can design robots or be creative and have fun. We supply all the components you need. Get your programmed code, or we can teach you coding. Assemble your own projects with our assistance if you need us. Boom! Problem solved. Remember, if you lose any part, you can 3D print another all by yourself. And it does not stop there. There is more. We have all you need to create your own projects. 3D printable files, electronic components, program codes for your robot, all in one place. Give us a call, make an appointment, or come visit our Innospace, a place where creativity exists, where science, technology, engineering, and math helps you to create, innovate, and have fun. Call us now.